Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best bar stools for kitchen islands on Amazon. Adding a kitchen island to your kitchen is a smart choice as it enhances the room's convenience and style. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Super Jar Adjustable Bar Stools. The Super Jar Adjustable Bar Stools are an exceptional addition to any kitchen or bar. These stools offer a luxurious and vintage look, while also being incredibly comfortable with a footrest and well-padded cushion. Made with water-resistant PU leather, these stools are easy to clean and maintain. The base has a wider diameter with a plastic ring that prevents scratching on the floor, and the stainless steel lift mechanism is certified by SGS, according to the BIFMA X 5.1 standard, ensuring stability and sturdiness. One of the best features of these bar stools is their adjustability, as they can easily be adjusted from 33.8 to 42.5 inches to fit most counter islands or bars. What we like about it? Quick, easy assembly. Great for both apartments and houses. Can be used on multiple floor types. What we don't like about it? Light metal base may cause tipping over. Number 2. Leopard Outdoor Products Bar Stools. The Leopard Outdoor Products bar stools are a stylish yet practical addition to your home. These sleek and modern stools feature a chic PU leather design with subtle quilting that's sure to catch the eye of anyone who enters the room. The polished chrome base provides a durable frame and comfortable footrest for added convenience. One of the best features of these stools is their adjustable height, which can be easily changed from 24.5 inches to 32.5 inches as needed. This makes them a versatile choice for a wide range of settings, including kitchens, dining rooms, coffee rooms, resting areas, entertainment centers, and even offices. What we like about it? Comfortable and adjustable. Sturdy enough for heavy use. Beautiful design and color options. What we don't like about it? Spinning around wears them faster. Number 3. Maison Arts Bar Stools. The Maison Arts Bar Stools combine style and comfort. Constructed with a solid metal frame, these stools provide maximum stability and support. The built-in footrest and 3.5-inch thick padded cushion make them comfortable for people of all sizes. Plus, their water-resistant design makes them easy to clean and maintain. These versatile stools are suitable for any indoor or outdoor space, and their sleek black powder-coated steel base offers a modern, minimalist look that complements any decor. With non-slip foot pads and a weight capacity of 330 pounds, these stools are perfect for everyone. Plus, their compact size allows them to be easily tucked away when not in use. What we like about it? Easy to assemble with clear instructions. Stylish and timeless design. Wide seats to fit various heights. What we don't like about it? Only comes in sets of 2. Number 4. Aklos Bar Stools Set. Upgrade your home with the chic and stylish industrial look of the Aklos Bar Stool Set. With their large wood seat and back, these stools offer a convenient and comfortable seating solution. The high-quality construction ensures stability and can support up to 330 pounds individually, thanks to the reinforced X-brace supports. Their advanced paint spraying process ensures an even and thicker surface that is resistant to rust and scratches, keeping your stools looking new for years to come. The stools are 30 inches from the floor to the seat top, with a back height of 12 inches. Assembly is simple with all parts and tools included in the package. What we like about it? Easy to put together. Lightweight and sturdy. Great product for a reasonable price. What we don't like about it? May require additional padding for added comfort. Number 5. Alpha Home Bar Stools. Looking for a perfect seating solution for your indoor or outdoor kitchen area? Alpha Home Bar Stools are the way to go. These stools boast a rust-resistant chrome metal steel frame, providing exceptional stability and support. Their oversized style offers extra comfort, while the heavy-duty steel frame can easily hold up to 350 pounds. Spills and sticky fingers won't be a problem as its PU leather fabric is stain-resistant. Plus, each seat comes with a thick cushion, providing ultimate comfort that won't easily deform even after years of use. These bar stools also feature anti-slip foot pads that protect your floors from scratches. What we like about it: high weight capacity, sturdy construction and thick cushioning, adjustable feet for uneven floors. What we don't like about it: the seat height may be too for some. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.